Hey everybody, welcome back to thekaleletter.com. The importance of keeping score. Hey beautiful, yes, I'm talking to you. You are beautiful if you are consuming this, whether it's reading it or listening to it, thank you. Here's what I've got for you today, the importance of keeping score. Ever play pickup basketball or pickup soccer or really anything from backgammon to checkers to Monopoly to cards? Ever notice something? Playing for fun is lame. No one plays hard, they make mistakes easily, and they lose focus even easier. But the second that you start keeping score, oh my, all bets are off. People play hard, they fight and they claw in order to win, even if it's for something stupid. Don't believe me? Next time you're watching something you don't care about on TV, okay? Bet your friend or your spouse or whatever $10 that something will happen on that TV set, okay? And I bet you just got a lot more interested in what was happening on the TV, right? So how do we use this simple concept to our advantage? First, we need to decide what is actually worth scoreboarding, okay? It's very important that you designate scoreboards for stuff that actually matters in life. Whether your goal is personal or business, most things in life don't actually matter. It's the 80-20 rule that I talk about on pretty much every letter that I send out from here. 20% of your actions produce 80% of your results. It's true, and it's probably more like 99%, 99 to 1. 1% of your actions produce 99% of your results. Assume that's true for a second because it is, okay? Now, that means that you must scoreboard the right 1% of things, right? Or else you won't be able to actually move the needle towards your goals, right? Right. Here's some examples of 1% goals that are worth scoreboarding, and this will be different for everyone, so you'll have to really think about your own situation, okay? X dollars in profit per day for my business. That would be a great goal. X number of sincere compliments that you pay your spouse daily. Woo! I'm up in your business. Try this, you're welcome. X minutes at the gym weekly. Okay, all of those would be great things to track, but the second thing we need to do is actually measure and track it, right? So it's very important that you actually write it down. Do a Google Sheet, do notes on your phone, something that you can actually look at, right? Now, it has to be this type of goal, okay, ready? I'm going to push you a little bit. I will do X quantified activity by X in a designated time. It's very important that you qualify the number of actions and the time frame. Does that make sense? Okay? You just trust me, you need both of those. So here's some examples. I'll make $1,000 in profit a day in my business by January 1st, 2021. See how we have an action and a time frame? See, I will pay my wife 10 concrete number, 10 sincere compliments per day by next week at this time. Got it? I will spend 90 minutes, again, that's very concrete, at the gym by this time next week at this time. Make sense? The third thing we need to do is we need to make your scoreboard dope. Okay, guess what a dope scoreboard is? A simple one. One that you can read and understand if you are winning or losing in 5 seconds or less. It would be pretty hard to watch a basketball game if every time you look at the screen, you had to do multiplication, right? Or figure out the score, right? Like, who's winning? You know, what's going on? Why do you think that chess isn't a tier 1, heavily watched primetime sport? Because it's too complicated. And I love chess, by the way. It's fantastic. But you need to make your scoreboard something that you can always see and that challenges you to improve. I've seen people use sticky notes, whiteboards, drawing on their skin. Seriously, just get it done and put it somewhere that you can see it. Try this out this week and let me know if it's helping you. And forward this email, guys, to someone who could benefit from this. Thank you so much for reading, listening, watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.